Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Wisnu Saputra I'm sorry, and my presentation is the future of hypercar, action, challenges and innovation. We will discuss the world of hypercars, those incredible high-performance machines that represent the pinnacle automotive engineering. I will explore the benefits, the challenges, and the innovation that hypercars bring to the automotive industry, and how they are shaping the future of transportation. To begin with, let's define what a hypercar is. A hypercar is a high-performance vehicle that goes beyond the capabilities of traditional sports cars. These machines are typically defined by very extreme speed, cutting-edge technology, and often a hefty price tag. But while they may seem like toys for the super wealthy, hypercars are much more than that. They are laboratories on wheels, constantly pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. Today, we will take a look at why hypercars are so important, the challenges they face, and what the future holds for this elite class of vehicles. Hypercars as the pinnacle of automotive technology. One of the main reasons hypercars are so fascinating is that they represent the very best of automotive technology. These cars are equipped with the latest innovation in performance, efficiency, and design. Take for the example the Bugatti Chiron, which is capable of reaching top speed over 300 miles per hour, or the Ferrari LaFerrari, which combines a hybrid powertrain to offer a performance unlike any other sports car on the road. The materials used in hypercars are also top of the line: carbon fiber, titanium, and other advanced materials make these cars both incredibly lightweight and durable, giving them a distinct edge in performance. The aerodynamics are also engineered for maximum efficiency and stability, ensuring that every ounce of speed is harnessed with precision. But hypercars are not just about going fast. They drive innovation that filters down into the rest of the automotive world. Technologies like carbon ceramic braking system and advanced suspension system, which we first saw in hypercars, are now common in a much more affordable vehicles. That advancement that happened in the world of hypercars often lead the way for the entire automotive industry. Hypercars as status symbols and luxury. It's no secret that hypercars also serve as symbols of luxury and status. With price often running into the millions of dollars, these cars are reserved for the elite. For many, owning a hypercar is a statement of wealth and achievement. The likes of the Porsche 918 Spider and the McLaren P1 are examples of cars that not only provide extraordinary performance, but also offer exclusivity and rarity to their owners. However, it's essential to recognize that while hypercars are exclusive, they also drive progress for the entire car industry, as these cars showcase new technologies and designs. They make those innovations available to more mainstream vehicles, allowing us all to experience that benefits of the cutting-edge technology, even if we can't afford a hypercar ourselves. Environmental challenges and sustainability. Now, despite their awe-inspiring performance, hypercars are not without criticism. One of the primary concerns is their environmental impact. Hypercars, especially older models, tend to use powerful combustion engines that consume large amounts of fuel, and produce significant emission. In a world that is becoming more aware of the environmental crisis, questions are being raised about whether it's ethical to continue producing vehicles that are so resource intensive. That being said, there is a growing shift in the industry towards sustainability. Companies like Rimac Automobili and Ferrari are making strides by introducing hybrid and electric hypercars, like the Rimac C2 and Ferrari LaFerrari. These vehi- I'm sorry, these vehicles incorporate cleaner technology while still maintaining the high levels of performance expected from a hypercar. But the real challenge is balancing extreme performance with environmental responsibility. While we're seeing progress, there's still a long way to go before all hypercars can be considered environmentally friendly. The role of hypercars in future automotive innovation. While it's true that hypercars have historically had a negative environmental impact, they also play a crucial role in advancing automotive technology. These cars often serve as experimental platforms where engineers test new ideas that could eventually trickle down into the wider market. For instance, innovations such as lighter materials, hybrid engines, and energy-efficient systems were first developed in hypercars before being adapted for mass-market vehicles. These advancements make their way into everyday cars, helping to improve fuel efficiency and performance for all drivers. In a sense, the hypercar world acts as a catalyst for technological growth across the entire automotive industry. The path to sustainable hypercars. Looking ahead, the future of hypercars must prioritize sustainability without sacrificing performance. The rise of electric and hybrid powertrains in hypercars presents an exciting opportunity. Manufacturers are now experimenting with new battery technologies, renewable materials, and more energy efficient designs. With electric vehicles like the Porsche Taycan and the Tesla Roadster, showing the electric power can deliver exceptional performance. The path is being paved for hypercars to become fully electric, while still offering mind-blowing speeds and capabilities. Future hypercars may rely on a clean energy source, allowing them to be both fast and eco-friendly. The key will be finding a balance between power, sustainability, and technological innovation. In conclusion, hypercars represent the cutting edge of automotive engineering. They offer unparalleled performance and serve as a testbed for the most advanced automotive technologies. However, their environmental impact raises important questions about the future of such vehicles. As the industry shifts toward greener technologies, hypercars will undoubtedly evolve to become not only symbol of status and luxury, but also exemplars of sustainable innovation. The future of hypercars looks bright as manufacturers continue to develop new technologies and solutions to meet environmental challenges. We can expect these vehicles to play an important role in shaping the cars of tomorrow, not just for the elite, but for everyone. Thank you for the nice attention and see you next time. Maybe not.